Every day in the USA, people find themselves in court.
Lopez, if you come down, court is calling 2025 CR 00714, State versus Jeremy Tyler Lopez. Can I have parties announced?
Megan Galloway for the state.
Danielle Cranberg for the defense.
And are you Mr. Lopez?
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, have you received all discovery? Did you review it with your client?
Yes, Your Honor.
Court will find that state is in compliance with discovery. Mr. Lopez, did you review? Mr. Lopez, did you review the true bill of indictment with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, do you waive the reading of the indictment?
I do, Your Honor.
State, are you proceeding on the indictment as presented?
Yes, Your Honor.
Mr. Lopez, did you review the court admonishments with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand you're charged with burglary of a building? That the state jail felony range of punishment is anywhere from 180 days up to 2 years in the state jail facility and up to a $10,000 fine. If you have a plea bargain agreement with the state, the court does not have to follow your agreement. If for any reason the court does not follow your agreement and gives you more than you bargained for, the fact that you enter agreement will not be used against you and you will be allowed to withdraw your plea. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
You have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses. The state would call in the right to remain silent. By entering this plea, you're giving up those rights. Did you intend to give up those rights and enter into a plea in this case?
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, has your client been able to provide you with any defenses?
Yes, Your Honor.
Do you believe he has a rational as well as a factual understanding of the charges against him?
I do, Your Honor.
Do you believe he's currently competent and was legally sane at the time of the offense?
I do, Judge.
Mr. Lopez, has anyone threatened you, coerced you, or placed you in fear to get you to enter this plea?
No, ma'am.
Anyone promised you anything other than the plea?
Mm, um,
So anyway, you have a plea bargain agreement with the state. Do you understand that?
yes, ma'am.
Outside of that agreement that you've reached with the state, has anyone promised you anything else?
No, ma'am.
All right. Are you satisfied with the way you've been represented?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you a U.S. citizen?
Yes, ma'am.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived his right to jury trial. Did you review the plea bargain page with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, ma'am.
According to the plea, punishment is to be assessed at 198 days in the Bexar County Jail under 1244. There's a $1,000 fine and no applications. Did you understand that to be the plea?
Yes, ma'am.
Defense?
Yes, Judge. I believe the intention for the state was for it to be a judgment sentence.
All right, state, is that the plea?
Yes, it is, Your Honor.
Did you review the waiver of appeal paragraph with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in both places?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand by signing that you're waiving your right to appeal? The only items that can be appealed are written pretrial motions that have been filed, heard, and ruled upon by the court. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, are there any such motions? Outside the agreement, the state is requesting no contact with city, community, church. Did you understand that's a recommendation from the state and the court does not have to follow that recommendation?
Yes, ma'am.
Then to the offenses charge, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
Guilty.
We had discussed no contest.
No contest.
All right, do you understand what a no contest plea means?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, state, any evidence to support the plea?
State offer states one in attachments.
No objection, Your Honor.
All right, state, you may be excused. Did you review the waiver and stipulations with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes, ma'am.
Again, did you understand you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses? The state would call in the right to remain silent.
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand that today the state will be presenting evidence in the form of witnesses' statements and police reports, but most importantly, there will be no live testimony? Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived and consented to stipulation of testimony and stipulations. Court will accept into evidence states exhibits 1 and attachments and review the same. All right, after reviewing states exhibits 1 and attachments, the court will find there is sufficient evidence to find you guilty, and the court will find you guilty. Are you proceeding with sentencing?
Yes, Your Honor.
Anything you wish to say on behalf of your client?
We'd ask the court to follow the agreement.
All right, why are you doing this? How old are you?
I'm 23.
All right, according to the police reports, you're causing disturbance at your parents' home and you're committing burglary of a building at this church. Why are you doing this?
So I go to that church at night because it's an amphitheater church, and I just like to walk the stage and listen to music. That's what I usually do. I go there to free my mind at night, and it just so happened that the time that I needed to use the restroom, I saw that there was a door open, and I didn't plan anything. I just was just curious why the door was open, and it's just something that I I know I made a mistake.
Well, I mean, you made choices that were not good choices.
Uh, yes, that's right. But I was really just curious. I did not plan anything like that. Uh, and it's just something that I ended up walking into.
And then they said that there was money missing. They said there was money missing after you had walked into the church and left. So it's more than just walking and being curious. You understand?
Um, that I believe that's the mistake that
Well, I mean, did you take money or not? Because they're saying that you walked in, there was money before you walked in, and when you left, money was missing.
yeah.
$619.50 was reported missing from the church cafeteria. How far did you go in school?
I made it to the last month of my senior year. It
Why?
was a school in the country of North Dakota, in the very country there. It was a school where there's only 10 kids in my class.
Mhm.
And the same 10 kids attend that same school from preschool to their senior year. And so when I went back to my senior year there, they were really judgmental of me. I was my parents are part of the military, so I lived in a lot of different
So let me ask you this, because there are a lot of people who have parents who are in the military. Your mom said that you have been causing disturbance at the home.
and I could tell you that my family that I've explained to that the way that my mom is being, they could say that a lot different of a story than what she's trying to.
Well, you're 23. You need to get a place of your own
That's
instead of living
because,
with your mom.
My bad for interrupting. I was 19 when I first got incarcerated. Um, and I was recently released a few months ago. Uh, so that's the reason why I'm 23 and still there now because I was 19 before I was incarcerated.
And what's with this teardrop?
It's for a lot of things. It's not anything bad.
What is it for?
I feel like I've been put into a lot of positions where I've been forced to burn a lot of bridges that I've had, and because of that, I've lost a lot of people in my life. Um,
So here's the thing. I really don't have a problem with tattoos. People can do whatever they want to, but teardrops beneath the eye have certain connotations. I don't know why people start tattooing their face. If you want to tattoo your face, fine, but your job prospects are going to be limited. And it's going to be limited to maybe being an actor, maybe investing in concealer, maybe working with a band, or maybe who knows, there'll be some great person who will see past the tattoos. So what is what is his criminal history?
I believe he's currently on felony probation in another county jail.
All right, and what are you on felony probation for?
and aggravated robbery.
Ah, thank you. Now I know what's going on. This is why I ask these questions. So the court is finding him guilty. The court is going to sentence him to 198 days in the Bear County Jail under 1244. Give you credit for any time served. There's $1,000 fine. Time and money will run concurrently. There's to be no contact and restitution, if any, to city, community, church. And the court will show that this judgment is satisfied so that the other county can come pick you up. Did you review the document entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Rights to Appeal with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it?
Yes, ma'am.
Because it's a plea bargain agreement, because I followed your plea bargain agreement, and because you waived your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal. Because this is a felony conviction, you're not allowed to own or possess any weapons or ammunition. If you have a question over what a weapon or ammunition is, you'll need to speak to an attorney. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, good luck to you. You better do better. Otherwise, you're going to end up the rest of your life in somebody's prison. You understand?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, good luck to you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Have a seat, sir.